So opening the Proteus, going with a new project. So I need to select the path first, browse, going for the desktop. I have created the folder as projects. In this I have created a folder for switch. I am selecting this folder and giving the project name as switch. Next, 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 and finish. So it will open up the workspace. Go to the component mode, pick the devices. The controller which we are using is AT89C51. Double clicking this, it will be selected to this list of devices. And now I need a single LED. For that purpose I am searching LED yellow. So here the last one, animated LED yellow, I will be selecting. Next I am going with a switch. For that switch you need to type a button. Button is the name that is used for switch here. The first one you can select here. So after selecting the required components, close this window, select this controller AT89C51, click in the workspace, you will be getting the controller. Then next click on this LED, and right click, rotate anti-clockwise to change the direction of this LED. Click on button, place this button here, and for the terminals I am going with the terminals mode here. I can select the ground and I am placing ground here. I'm just maximizing this by using zoom so that the visibility is increased, and if you want to make the movement of work window to be visible clearly, you can make such kind of movement. So this 2.0 is connected to one of the terminal of LED, and other terminal of LED is grounded, and port 2.7 is connected to one end of the switch and the other end is connected to ground. So this is the hardware connection. LED and switch is connected for 2.0 and 2.7. Next, going for keyal. If any project is opened, we need to close the project. Go for project, new UVision project, desktop, projects, go for the switch, and here I am giving the name switch. Save it. It will be asking for target device AT89C51. Select the first one, click OK. It is asking for startup creation. It doesn't require it, so say no. Then go for file, new, and save this file by using the name switch.c. .c extension is compulsory here. Then next, click on this plus symbol of target, right click on the source group, add existing files to group, switch.c, add, and close. Then you start writing the program. As I have said, these are common. Header file and delay function is common. Then next I'm going with main function. Before that main function, I have declaration of these pins by using S bit LED equal to, and here P should be capital, port 2 cap 0. The next S bit. For switch I am taking SW, which is port 2 cap 7 is connected. And coming to the main function, we started with taking SW, initialized this value to 1, that means switch is open initially, and then taking a while loop for infinite execution. If SW equal to 0, then LED should be on, else LED should be off. So this is the main program. So if switch is closed, LED should on. If not, LED should be off. This is the program written. So the next, going for options for target. Here I need to change the frequency to 11.0592. This is the operating frequency. Select this, use on chip ROM. Go for output, create hex file. You need to check this and say OK. After this, go for project, build target. There are 0 errors. It is saying one warning. So I may be missing a delay value here because the continuous switch on may not be taken. Let me put a delay value here. Delay of 2000. Each 1000 is equal to a second. Yes. So since the delay value is not given, it is showing an error. So switch cannot be continuously pressed. It is a button switch. So if you press and after if you take the hand on it, then it will be released. For that purpose, it is asking for what it has to do. If the switch is pressed once, it has to be on, and up to 2 seconds it should be on. Else, if switch is not pressed, LED should be equal to 0. So this delay is given for, we cannot make the switch continuously pressed in real time. For that purpose, it is asking for a delay function. Now hex file is created with 0 errors, 0 warnings. I am going for Proteus, double clicking on this microcontroller. giving the clock frequency 11.0592 and clicking on this folder, go for desktop, projects, switch. In the objects folder you will be finding the hex file. Select this hex file, open and say OK, and then go for this play button. Now I am pressing this switch, LED is on for 2 seconds and it is off. After 2 seconds of delay, the LED is going to off because the switch is not pressed. Since the switch is pressed, one time if I press, it is getting released. That's why the LED is on for 2 seconds delay and off. When I press the switch, LED should be on, and after 2 seconds it should be off. Here there is a arrow mark. If you press this, it is continuously switch is being pressed. So when the switch is closed, we have set that LED equal to 1. But when the switch is released, after 2 seconds it will be off. So this is how it is functioning. In this way we can interface LED, a single LED with a single switch.